I'm Paul Brennan and I'm managing new business and sales for Blackhill Engineering. From my very first day at Blackhill Engineering, it was clear to me that not only are the range of capabilities incredibly impressive, but the wealth of engineering experience is second to none. Collectively, the team here hold over 60 years experience with wide-ranging backgrounds across multiple sectors. Our attention to detail, focus on quality, and a constant strive to deliver more than just metal has culminated in multiple recent contract awards. Some of these recent awards include a prestigious nuclear contract at Hinkley Point C, a vital infrastructure improvement project at Devonport Docks, and an innovative solar project. We can offer complete peace of mind to our customers that we are a proven, safe pair of hands for large-scale, heavy engineering works where quality, efficiency, and trust are key. At Blackhill Engineering, we are big enough to manage, but small enough to care.